Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Goal Achievement. Today we will discuss about the two dice tossed and what are the probability cases in on this basis. So what are the outcomes when the two dice are tossed? The outcomes are, firstly you have to toss the two dice. So in these two dice, number of single dice tossed outcomes that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the two dice, the formula becomes 6 raised to power 2, as 2 is the number of times a dice is tossed and 6 is the number of dice are tossed. So the number of total outcome becomes 36, as 6 raised to power 2 means 6 into 6, 36. So write down the outcomes. What are the outcomes? So in the first trial, 1 occurs and the next dice 1 occurs, and the same case 1 is on first dice, 2 is on second dice, and the same 1 is on first dice and the numbers are changed on the second dice. Next 2 is come on the first dice and number are changed on the second dice are 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Next 3 1, 3 2 up to 3 6. Next is 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Next case is on the first side 5 comes, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. In the next case 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6 occurs. So these are the total 36 outcomes when the two dice are tossed. First example, sum of the two dice is 4. So you have to check that case in which sum becomes on the dice is 4. That is 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. So these three cases are that in which sum on the two dice are 4. So number of favorable cases are 3. Sum of two dice, that is number of favorable cases are 3 and the total cases are 36. So the probability becomes 3 by 6. Next case, probability of sum of two dice is 11. So you have to record the sum is 11. In this case, the dice numbers are 5 6 or 6 5. Probability becomes 2 by 36, as these are the two favorable cases in which sum on the dice is 11. Next, a number on the second dice is 5. You have to take that number, that case in which on the second number you have to take the number 5. So the favorable outcomes are this one, this one, this case, next is this case, next is this case. So the number of favorable outcomes are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Probability becomes a number on second die is 5, which is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Next cases in which you have to take the cases having the doublet comes. Doublet means both numbers are same, that is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. So the number of favorable cases becomes 6. Probability of doublet, which is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Thank you.